होशियार खबरदार, प्लेऑफ्स में पहुंचने वाली पहली टीम बन चुकी है केकेआर और आज के दिन हमारे नाइट राइडर्स होंगे सामने शुभमन गिल के गुजरात टाइटन से। सो वेल, न्यूज और अपडेट्स तो हमारे पास है ही हैं। सो हेलो एंड वेलकम to Night Club, your one-stop destination for all things Kolkata Knight Riders.
Let's check out how Team KKR have fared so far. Shreyas Iyer and his men won 3 games on the trot before registering their first loss of the season. Team KKR then began a stretch of 5 home games with an 8-wicket victory over the Lucknow Super Giants. The Knight Riders were handed their second defeat of the season by the Royals, and then they got past RCB in a thriller. A heartbreak against Punjab Kings was followed by a sensational 7-wicket victory against the Delhi Capitals. KKR also ended their 12-year jinx at the Wankhede Stadium with a 24-run victory over the Mumbai Indians, and then handed LSG a 98-run defeat at the Ekana Stadium. And now Shreyas Iyer and his men have qualified for the playoffs with an 18-run victory over the Mumbai Indians.
केकेआर ने जमकर सेलिब्रेट करी अपनी ये स्पेशल जीत एक केक कटिंग के साथ और अंकुश रघुवंशी ने ड्रेसिंग रूम में दिया एक स्पेशल मैसेज पूरी टीम को।
Venkatesh, we are smacking the best bowlers, and then the legend on his comeback. It was amazing. And then some amazing cameos by the big man, by Rinku Bhaiya, by Raman, the last ball 6. Rambo! Another thing about Rambo, the fielding today was amazing. Hats off to the bowlers. It was tough conditions. The field was wet, but I think they bowled with a big heart.
तो क्या कहना है टीम केकेआर का अपनी इस क्वालिफिकेशन पे, आइए देखते हैं।
6 of 22.
टेंशन बहुत थी बिकॉज ये बहुत फनी गेम है T20 और हमने देखा है, हमने डिफेंड भी करा है, हमने 260 चेज भी करा है, तो बहुत सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स देखे हैं इस सीजन।
I was nervous, but I'll not lie. When I saw Harshit, when I saw him run in, I knew that he'll get the job done for us.
It's up in the air, should be taken. Rinku's coming under it, and he takes it. Has he nicked it? Yes, he has. And Knight Riders defend their fortress successfully.
अब 10 साल से भैया मैं खेल रहा था, कभी ऐसे इंजरी हुई नहीं थी और कभी वो फील नहीं किया था डगआउट में बैठ के कि इंजरी के बाद कितना मुश्किल हो सकता है, बट बहुत दुख होता है। फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे साथ हुआ और प्लस मैं इस चीज़ में थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा फ्रेंचाइजी को। मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई और फ्रेंचाइजी होती तो शायद मुझे इतना बैक करती जितना इन्होंने किया, क्योंकि 10 मैच मिस करना किसी भी फ्रेंचाइजी के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है।
New batting role for me today. I've been batting in the middle order in the games. Today as Nitish played, so I had to bat at number 3. But as I settled on the pitch, I got hit, and that's when I thought, okay, I'm many which ways not able to run quickly, so let me just score as quickly as I can, and that kind of gave me a lot of confidence to go after the bowling.
जैसे ये इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर का रूल आया है, एक्स्ट्रा बैटर, एक्स्ट्रा बॉलर, ये सब चीज़ों को देखते हुए अगर हम इस कंपटीशन में वन ऑफ द बेस्ट लीग है पूरे वर्ल्ड की, इस कंपटीशन में अगर हम पहली टीम क्वालिफाई हो रही है तो इससे ज़्यादा खुशी की बात क्या है?
Definitely, I think we've played some good cricket of late, and to qualify, to become the first team to qualify is a matter of great pride. And as you said, we've played quite a few last over games, but I think that's the hallmark of a champion team. We never give up, and I think this is going to take us a long way in the tournament. Today is an amazing day, not just for me, but my family as well. My mom had come to watch the game. Thanks to the crowd, it's great to play for them. The support that we get, no matter what, win or lose, we always are backed by Kolkata. So we really love you, and we really want to get the cup for you people.
क्या आपने कभी सोचा सुनील नारायण और गौतम गंभीर कभी भी मुस्कुराते क्यों नहीं है? केकेआर ओनर शाहरुख खान ने हमें एक एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरव्यू में बताया क्यों।
क्लियरली जब हम एक एनिमेशन कैरेक्टर बनाते थे तो फिर हम आपके हाथ में एक चिराग देते थे एंड उसमें as soon as you rub it बाहर निकलते थे सुनील नारायण। कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स, मैच विनिंग परफॉर्मेंसेस, लोअर ऑर्डर, मिडिल ऑर्डर, टॉप ऑर्डर, बॉलिंग।
हमारे यहाँ पे the children love him the most, Aryan and Suhana. Abram still hasn't gotten to know him. क्योंकि ये भी शुरुआत में I think when which was the other league that used to happen in September, October,
Champions League.
Champions League when I think he had just started, and if I'm not mistaken, he joined us the first in IPL.
Yeah.
From the Champions League, we'd come over to our team, and since then he's been regular in our team. हम कल भी उससे बात कर रहा था, मैं रात को, मैं और गौतम भाई, और we were just chatting. And I said, सुनील तू यहीं रह जा, हमारे साथ ही रह कर. He's very quiet. कभी-कभी स्माइल, अभी थोड़ा there is a competition कि कौन कम स्माइल करता है, गौतम भाई या सुनील भाई.
ये टफ कंपटीशन
कि who smiles and expresses less, कि दोनों के दोनों एकदम सीधे रहते हैं. अब तो हमारे वो चंद्रकांत पंडित जी भी स्माइल करना छोड़ दिए, तो तीनों का जो ना वो छक्का मारता है ऐसे ही मारता है, गौतम उस छक्के को ऐसे ही देखता है, चंदू सर भी सब, everybody so nobody smiles only. But he's a lovely person. हम actually जब हम Trinidad गए थे, we spent a lot of time with him, his family, his friends, and बहुत अच्छी गाड़ी वाड़ी चलाई, हमको खाना के लिए लेकर गया. There he's more with conversations and talks. In our house, we call him the Superman. मतलब the God. This is the God particle. You know, Higgs boson वाला ये God particle है. और as a player, ये bowler है कि batsman है कि wicket keeper है कि fielder है. The popular term, and not in a manner which is it's only in a compliment. He's an anything player. So everybody says वो अभी जब वो बैटिंग कर रहा था तो छक्के मार रहा था, तो घर से फोन आता है, पापा anything player, anything player. He can bowl, he can bat. You can't contain Sunil down. Such a spirited person. I think he captains us in the other leagues also. Yeah. Such a quiet, nice soul, and we are actually very, very fortunate कि हमारे पास जितने भी players आए, Indian या बाहर के, nature wise and longevity wise and feeling for the team wise, बहुत deep उनकी feeling है सब.
कोलकाता से हमारे नाइट राइडर्स आ चुके हैं अहमदाबाद टू फेस गुजरात टाइटंस. तो कौन सी वो की बैटल्स है जिस पर आपको भी नजर रखनी है, आइए देखते हैं.
After sealing the qualification spot with an 18 runs win over Mumbai Indians in their last outing at Eden Gardens,
They win this game by 18 runs and become the first team to qualify in the Tata IPL 2024.
Kolkata Knight Riders will battle it out with Shubman Gill's Gujarat Titans for the first time this season. With the spot in the playoffs at stake, GT captain Shubman Gill will be looking to give his side a blazing start.
Low, flat, what a six that is, Shubman Gill!
Gill recently scored his 4th IPL century in Team Gujarat's last outing against the Chennai Super Kings.
Celebrations for the stylish one, Shubman Gill! His 4th IPL 100, he's lit up Ahmedabad.
But looking to stop Shubman Gill's onslaught in the power play overs will be KKR's lead pacer Mitchell Starc. This will be the first meeting between the two in the shortest format. From KKR's batting department, the onus will be on the informed Sunil Narine to give his side a great start.
The third 100 by a KKR player in the Tata IPL.
The KKR all-rounder has emerged as the highest run scorer for the Knight Riders this season with 461 runs. That includes 1 century and 3 half-centuries. And the KKR opener will be up against Mohit Sharma in the power play overs.
Mohit Sharma comes in and delivers for the Gujarat Titans.
The two have faced off in 3 matches, with the Gujarat pacer dismissing Narine once. So can the Knight Riders dent Gujarat Titans' chances of making it to the playoffs? All the action unfolds tonight at the Motera Stadium.
आज के नाइट क्लब के इस एपिसोड में फिलहाल इतना ही. हम लोग फिर हाजिर होंगे आपके सामने हर KKR मैच डे पर सुबह 8 बजे और सुबह 11 बजे. तब तक के लिए सोशल मीडिया पर अपना प्यार बरसाते रहिए विद द हैशटैग नाइट क्लब. एंजॉय कीजिए IPL के मैचेस को और याद रखिए, आमी KKR.